So when you put it on, there's a delay. Then we'll turn it on. Well, definitely what I want to turn on this time is
That one is pulling.
yeah. This is wait. Yeah.
So this needs to go here. It's quite a distance.
It's quite a distance, yeah. But I think if you use a big pump is better, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But slow is better. Like this.
You have more control.
Yeah, and we don't disturb the resin.
Yeah. So the point here, the lead's supposed to be in there.
There's no sharp edges, right?
No. Let me see if I can extend this stuff. Nice, dig machine full. I'm gonna get one of these as well. No, just gonna put it closer. In there. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the sensor inside. And it's inside the sensor, nothing happened. So if I remove one sensor, it comes more liquid. You can see there. I put the sensor again and stop. In normal conditions. And as I remove one, delay, and then we'll turn it on. Yeah, it's working accordingly. This is normal, so nothing gets pumped in. The delay is because of the machine, how it's going up and down, so it doesn't get false reading. So when the liquid is almost finished in the sensor detect, the sensor turns on there, and I put this inside. The blue meaning the condition is correct. Conditions, I move the sensor and then delay a few seconds, and then we turn on the pump. Yeah, stop.
Let me check if I can find a picture of it.
Alright.
Well, this is the other part of that award. Ah, here. This is it.